In this video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your My Task in Asana. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to asana.com and make sure to create an account by clicking onto this Get Started option right here or logging in into your account that you already have. You can proceed to click onto this login if you want. Once you have created right here your account, you can proceed to log in. So here is what my board looks like. So on this case, you can head over right here and you can see this left dashboard. You can click onto this My Task and you can see in here all of the tasks that are assigned to you. You can see in here some new tasks, due today, as well as due later options. You can see their due dates, your collaborators, project where they actually visible are found, and in here you can also add new tasks assigned to you as well. If you want to organize it, you can head over first to the project that you have it. Now make sure that you're added as a person assigned to that. Click on this assignee and add yourself as an assignee. Add in here a due date so you can actually prioritize when you're gonna do this. You can see in here the priority. You can change its priority to high, as well as the task progress to waiting and progress or deferred. You can add in here some descriptions if you would want. Now you can head over and then just close in here this option if you would want, and you can also delete this milestone if you want. Now in here, we're actually heading over and then depending on to the actual priority. As you can see, we'll need to do first the things that are high priority. So you can actually just drag this right here into the doing part. Make sure to do the ones that are high priority or the ones that has late deadlines. So you can proceed to do them. And once you're done, you can proceed to add them right here into the completed tab. So that's how you organize your tickets in Asana. Hope we helped.